Hi everyone, today we are going to learn about how to download Git for Windows, and you can download it for Mac also. So this video will explain you how to do that. So Git repository is nothing but it is a very important essential places for storing files with maintaining the version of development. So whatever you do on your local computer, you can pass it to the GitHub repository and see the update. So it is very easy to do that. All you have to do is search Git for download from Windows. Once you find it, 64-bit Git for Windows setup, you click on that and it will ask your permission, say yes, and then you have to read this agreement, and at the end you have to click on the next, and then you have to follow the dialog box and just keep clicking on next. Here I am choosing first two option also and clicking on next. So here I am choosing the default editor used by Git, and I am going to select the typical one which we use, which is called Nano editor, and this is a GNU Nano. It is a small and friendly text editor. So we will click next. Then whatever by default given, I am keeping it as it is and clicking next. You can choose any of this option. The last one is also very useful, but the recommended one I'm going to keep on my computer. So click on next. And then you have to choose whatever is recommended. Keep clicking on next. Always better to read it before clicking next, but whatever recommended by Git, you should keep that as it is. Click on install at the end. Once you click on install, it will start installing. It will take a few seconds to install. Now it's almost done. Now this is the last window. You have to click on finish, and now you'll get this kind of option. Just ignore it and come out of it. And after that we have to go on our command prompt. We have to set up the system variables for this. So edit environmental variables, go on path, click on edit, and at the bottom here we are going to click on new and add the path for our Git. So what we have to do is, so once you go in your file explorer Git directory, which is located in the program files, you will find you'll find bin. There you have to right click and copy that address, and once you copy that address, you have to edit our environment variable, system environment variable. So you have to go search system property and then click on the edit environment variables, and then click on the environment variables, and then go on the top box. You'll see the path, and there you have to click on the path and click on new. At the bottom in the blank area, click there and Ctrl V to paste the new path and click OK and click OK. So once you do it all these things successfully, what you have to do is check your command prompt and type git and check whether it is working or no. So for that we have to open our command prompt, then type git over there and see if git is installed properly or no. You see the git is installed, you can see the screen. Now go to your git hub session, open your dashboard. Once you see the dashboard, you can click on new repository, which is on the left side, green button, and then add your repository name, which is a new name. Scroll down and you can choose whatever given by default is fine, and then go to git ignore and type C++ and then select that part and then click at the bottom create repository, green button. So click on code, then you'll see two options, SSH and HTTPS, and on the right you'll see the copy button. Click on that to copy the path. Go back to your file explorer and right click, show more option, go down, see there is a git clone, click on that. It will open git clone tortoise git, and just click on OK without pressing anywhere, and you'll see the error message. So I'll show you how to resolve this problem. So all you have to do is close this window and then go back to that file explorer again and right click, show more option and click on git clone, and don't forget to click on this load putty key. Okay, that is important, and then click OK. Now you'll see the result. It is successful. That's it. And now you see the repository name here, which was on our dashboard on GitHub. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye for now. And I'm going to show you some more videos how to install Tortoise Git, and then I will show you how to install or do the matrix account submission, everything. So keep watching. Thank you. Bye for now.